Every year, millions of tons of banana stems are discarded after harvest. Most people see them as useless agricultural waste.
Excellent. The quality looks good. Bring them over to the conveyor. Right away, sir.
Banana stems are large, heavy, and filled with moisture. Before fiber extraction can begin, they must...
This is the most important stage of the entire operation. Powerful extraction machines strip away the soft plant tissue.
Freshly extracted fibers contain plant sap and organic residue. To improve quality and durability, the fibers undergo.
Moisture control is critical. Excess water can lead to mold growth and quality issues.
Each batch is graded based on length, strength, color, and texture. Only the highest quality fibers move forward for premium applications.
Once processed, banana fibers can be used in a surprising range of industries, from clothing and handmade paper to...
As industries search for sustainable materials, banana fiber is gaining attention around the world.
By transforming farm waste into valuable products, factories like this reduce environmental impact, create new...
and demonstrate how innovation can unlock hidden value in everyday resources. The next time you see a banana plantation, remember that the fruit is only part of the story.